Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, of course, it's on my June Boxycharm. I am so excited for this box. I mean, I'm always excited because like the boxes are getting better each month. This month is one thing that I'm really excited for, and it's the palette. I do see the sneak peeks on Instagram, so if you do have Boxycharm and you don't follow them on Instagram, you have to. Let's get right into the box because I've been waiting to play with this. First thing you see is the card. So the card usually is just like a simple card. On the front it says Boxycharm, and then on the back it will have all the like description on the items. But this is the second month that it's a pamphlet. So it says Boxycharm on the front. On the back, when you turn it, it has like the coupon code, the % off on whatever they have. And then when you turn it back to open it, it shows you what the month's theme is. So this month for June, it says Caribbean Queen, like yes, represent. I feel like I'm in the Caribbean now, I'm like yeah. Then this right here has a picture of the Boxy babes this month. They all look so beautiful. I'm just like loving the Caribbean feel of what they're wearing and all that. And then you have all the items. You have each item on here. It tells you the description, the pricing, and yeah. So let's get right into this. So this is the first item, and it's called the Soy de Janeiro, the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. It says Brazilian Bum Bum Cream is inspired by the Brazilians' favorite feature, the bum bum, meaning the booty. Creamy and rich in guarana, a native Amazonian plant whose fruit contains one of the most potent forms of caffeine. The fast-absorbing textures contains just enough maca to add a perfect Brazilian glow, as the formula helps your body look and feel its smoothest and tightest. Retail price, $10. Oh my god, it smells so good. Ooh, this feels so good. I won't use this all over my body because it's small, but to have it in my purse, like for my hands and like elbows, just in case if you're a little ashy when you're out and about, this would be great to have. Oh, it smells so good. It's making me hungry. I'm always hungry. You do feel like a little sticky, but not nasty sticky. My hands feel smoother. I'm liking it. Now we're gonna go back into the box, and I'm going to grab this right here. It's called the Alamar Cosmetics. Retail price $28. This was made by this girl named Gabby. She's a makeup artist, and also she worked for Boxycharm. Dive into the pigments and pearls found in this intense metallics, or ground your look with the warm richness of the creamy matte. For a more intense application, refer to the shade names that feature a water droplet that can be used with a wet brush, the sun symbol for application with a dry brush. These four right here have the droplets, and these four right here have the sun. The packaging is simple, but you have that Caribbean feel to it. Fun fact, okay, look at this. It folds. So awesome. So easy. Just hold it. The first one I'm going to use is this one right here, Tropical. Tap it off. And I'm going to use this shadow right in the crease on the outer corner. I want to dip into Coco Taxi and use this for my inner corner. I'm blending these two shadows together because I don't want them to like, it's one shadow here and then one shadow there. I want it to look seamless. Now I'm gonna go back into Tropical and intensify this shade. I'm applying it more on the outer corner, and then I'm blending it in with Coco Taxi. I'm gonna use Verdadero on my outer corner and Estelia on my inner corner, like to that transition, you know. I'm going to take up this brush right here because I want to see how it applies. Now with my finger, it pops. That's why I love using my finger, because it pops when you use your finger. I'm gonna dip into this one right here and just buff a little bit in here. And I'm going to use Celia for my inner corner. I'm applying this right on top so the two shadows could blend together. The reason why I'm doing this look with so many shadows because I'm trying to use as many shadows as possible so I can see how they work before I can tell you if I like it or not. And the 4 that I did use, I'm liking them. I love the metallics with my fingers. The mattes, those 2 that I used blend perfectly like a dream, so I have no complaints. The next product that I just grabbed from the box is the Luxie 3-piece Flawless Complexion brush set. This retail price is $42. I'm always happy to receive brushes, and I love brushes from Luxie. They're so soft. I love the detail and the colors of it, so that's great. First one is a Luxie 660 Precision Foundation Brush. I think I have this, but another color. Then the Luxie 516 Dual Fiber Powder Brush. And last but not least, the 522 Tapered Highlighter Brush from Luxie. Since I have this foundation brush, I am going to use this to show you how it applies. I'm not a type to like brushes for foundation. It's just not me. I don't know. I apply primer, and it's a Cover FX Blurring Primer. I'm going to use my BH Liquid Foundation, Naturally Flawless. Let's see how this works. I'm not a big brush fan for foundation. I had to go in and use my sponge. But the only thing that I like about this brush is to apply. Or I could use this brush for other things, like for contour, for blush. I don't have to use it just for foundation. Next, I'm going to use the Dual Fiber Powder Brush, the 516. And I'm going to set my face just like all over. The brush that I just used to powder my face, I'm also going to try to use it for contour. I just want to see, well, for bronzer. I just want to see how it works. I'm also going to use this with my blush. Now I'm going to use the highlighter brush. I'm going to dip it in. Ooh, this brush. Yes, yes. They are each meant for one thing, like they say, but you also can try for other things. And that's what I love about it. Sometimes it won't work, but if it does, it's like, hello, why not do it? You know, this is the Battington lashes. Hopefully I said it right. What? I am loving it. This retail price is $28. It says 3D multi-layered silk lashes. Enhance your look with modern length, adding a volume and length to your lashes. They're handmade with 100% silk, allowing up to 25 applications with proper care. First, I'm gonna curl my lashes and then apply some mascara. I like this because the band is thin, they're not thick. So I did cut the sides of it. The lashes I am liking, they're comfortable. I just have a hard time putting on lashes because I don't practice, so I need to practice, so that won't happen. But I like it. I like how it looks. After that, I did finish my lower lash line. I just mimicked the top two, the top matte. The next item is this right here from Jonteblu, waterproof eyeliner pencil, 100% vegan. It says it glides on smooth for an elevated eye look. Use along the upper lash line or waterline. Retail price $5. This is in charcoal. Okay, my eyes are like getting watery. This showed up, but not as much. My eyes are kind of like watery, and it was like getting irritated just because I felt like I had to keep on going back and forth. It's a nice color, but this doesn't show up like that on my waterlines. Maybe because it's like it was getting watery, but I'm gonna keep on trying this. Last in the box is this. It's from Ofra. It's the long-lasting liquid lipstick. Retail price $21. I love Ofra liquid lipsticks. This is in Verona. This long-lasting liquid lipstick, I am loving the color. Like, oh my gosh. It says that they are creamy and soft in texture, moisturizing the lips and creating a long-lasting lipstick effect. No need to use lip liner. This liquid lipstick gives a beautiful edge to your lip look. It's true. I didn't need a liner. It feels so good. Oh my god. I'm telling you, Ofra's liquid lipsticks are the best thing ever. The retail price for June's Boxycharm is $131. I like all these items that I received, even this one, but the thing is like I don't love it because I have to really play around with this eyeliner. Every item that I receive overlooks this right here because I know like I can use it for something. If it's not for my waterlines, then I can use it for my lid. So yeah, this is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. That's all I can say. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope this was helpful. If you aren't subscribed to my channel. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Any questions, please comment below. Don't be afraid. I will write back to you. And yeah, I don't know, I'm so excited. I'm like excited too because I'm about to like get food. So it's like, yes. So here, with that being said, guys, I hope you have a wonderful day and I'll see you next time. Bye. Oh, my glasses. Okay. So let's bring it back. Bring it back now, y'all. One half this time. Then put this down. Showed up. Gosh. I'm so excited.
Despacito, this is how we do it down in Puerto Rico. I just wanna hear you screaming, ay bendito. I can go forever cuando esté contigo.